now, your first warning forecast with meteorologist Paul Cayano.
Things are drying out nicely behind the front that brought the showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. The water vapor, we don't often use it, but it shows the story pretty well here. You can see all the moisture out ahead of the front with the showers and storms here, and the sandy color, an indication of dry air blowing through the Midwest and Great Lakes and on into our region now. That's really bringing the humidity down, and you could see that dry air in the mid-levels of the atmosphere sweeping on in, and this is going to make for a beautiful blue sky tomorrow as the dew point, which has been riding very high in the 60s, even near 70, is going to tumble down through the 60s and into the 50s, which puts it in the pleasant zone for tomorrow. It's 70 right now in Albany and Glens Falls, some surrounding communities already back into the 60s. These temperatures a few degrees cooler than this time yesterday, 7 degrees cooler in Albany when we were still roasting in the high 70s, and a muggy evening last night out ahead of the front. But now that drier, cooler air continuing to flow through the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley and in our direction. So the response will mean temperatures back down into the comfortable lower 60s tonight. We will rebound through the 60s and 70s and into the mid 80s tomorrow. So it's not going to be chilly by any means behind this front. It's just that the humidity is going to be down and it'll be a lot more comfortable out there. So here's the front as it lined up just off to our west at 11 a.m. The early arrival of the front, along with the showers and thunderstorms, prevented us from maximizing our heating during the day, and that prevented us from getting any real good severe weather, so we dodged a bullet there. The showers and storms continuing to track off the eastern seaboard, and you could see the drier, much more pleasant air blowing in behind the front as the clouds break up, and a nice big fat full moon out there tonight will be with us right on through the overnight period as that front tracks away. High pressure will build in, and that's going to set us up for a good-looking Friday with lots of sunshine. Now, as we approach the weekend, we're going to have a couple of disturbances passing by, and that could mean 1 or 2 showers or thunderstorms firing during the day on Saturday and again on Sunday, but by no means a washout. We'll have the forecast coming up in 30 seconds. We'll have a mainly clear sky overnight. I think you'll notice by morning that the mugginess will go away, just a light breeze. 64, 85 tomorrow, warm but low humidity. Nice west wind at 10 to 15. That's going to help make it feel comfortable out there as well. Saturday and Sunday, a couple of showers and thunderstorms here and there. We'll time those out for you as we get closer, but I'm not thinking it's going to last very long. Temperatures remaining in the 80s for the first couple of days of August, and it starts out a little unsettled next week.
Not too bad. Tomorrow will feel great with no humidity.
Oh, it's going to be a nice deep blue sky looking good out there.
Can feel like spring.
Yeah.
Thanks, Paul.
Thank you, Paul.